This year's Chatbot conference is one of the most exciting to date. So let me give you an idea of what our agenda looks like and what you could expect from this year's event. So the way we organize our events is that on the first day, you learn it, on the second day, you design it, and on the third day, you develop it. So by the end of the event, you're going to have a chatbot or a virtual assistant or a voice app you can take back to your boss, or you could implement in your company and see some sort of ROI. So what does our first day look like? The way we structure our first day of the event is that we start out by giving you the 30,000 foot view. We look at the chatbot landscape and we look at the areas where companies are having the most amount of success. So we're going to look at things like customer service, sales and marketing. We're going to look at voice. We're going to look at internal use cases. An example of this would be like HR bots. Once we've done this, for the rest of the day, we're going to actually do deep dives into these areas. So we're going to cover all of this. By the end of the day, you're going to know what are the top use cases, where are bots headed, what is the future of the technology, where is the ROIs. So that's day one. Day two is our conversational design workshop. In this workshop, you're going to build a customer journey bot, which is going to first capture leads and qualify those leads. And then it'll also provide customer service for your customers. By the end of that second day, you're going to have a fully designed chatbot. And then on the third day, we're going to take that design and you're actually going to build out the FAQs. So if someone asks questions about your products or services, the bot could automatically respond, it could automatically learn, and it could automatically service those requests. By the end of that third day, you're actually going to have a bot which you could implement either on your website or SMS or inside your business, or it's something that you can show to your boss and see if your company wants to implement it. So best of all, when you finish our workshops, you get certified in conversational design and you get certified in NLP development. So our space and our ticketing is limited for our workshops. So if you haven't signed up, make sure to sign up and we'll see you there.